This next video will show you how to create goals for the new planning year. In SPOL, this is very simple to do if the goal has been measured just even one time before in the past. It's a simple carryover. The directions begin in the manual on page 24. It tells you once you log into SPOL, you're going to click on Assessment and then click on Copy Assessment Data. So let's go into SPOL. So I would click on Assessment and then click on Copy Assessment Data. I need to make sure that the year in which the goal was originally measured is selected, or the year, at least the last year that it was measured. And you make sure you have the current year selected because that's the year you want to carry it over to. You're going to click down the arrow and you're going to select all of the goals that you want to carry over. When you select on one, it also opens up the measure and the criteria. If you want to select them all, you got to make sure you select all the boxes. If it's everything that's getting carried over to the next year, you can just click Check All, and that checks all the boxes. Once you are done doing that, you just click Add Year, and it's been carried over. To verify that it's been carried over, go to your program, make sure you change the year up at the top to 1920 to see if it is there. You're going to change it to the year you want it to carry over to see if it's there, not the year that you were just in. Sorry, I misspoke. So you're going to check 2021, so the 2021 page will open, or whatever year it is that you are bringing over your goals. And now you're on your, click My SPOL to go to your home page, and then you should see that all of your program goals and the measures and the criteria have been loaded. That is all that you need to do in order to carry over your outcomes and measures to a new year. If you are creating a new outcome to measure, one that you have never measured before, the manual explains the step-by-step process and how to get everything into SPOL. This begins on page 28. Refer to the manual for these steps. And that concludes carrying over data into the new year.